English Espresso. Hello and welcome back to English Espresso. Today we are going to build your English confidence sentence by sentence. In this video, we will practice real English sentences that people use every single day. These sentences will help you speak more naturally, sound more confident, and think faster in English. Here's how today's practice will work. I'll read each sentence 2 times, slowly and clearly. The first time, just listen carefully. The second time, repeat after me. After every sentence, I'll take a short pause, so you have time to speak out loud with me. This simple shadowing method trains your ears, brain, and mouth to work together so you can start thinking and speaking in English naturally. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on rhythm, sound, and confidence. Remember, every time you repeat English sentence, you are building real fluency. So stay with me till the end, and let's make today's shadowing session your most powerful one yet. Let's begin your English shadowing practice. Listen carefully to each sentence and then repeat after me. That sounds amazing. I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you. That's such a good point. That's such a good point. I didn't think of it that way. I didn't think of it that way. Exactly. I know what you mean. Exactly. I know what you mean. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Sorry, I missed that part. Sorry, I missed that part. That's interesting. Tell me more. That's interesting. Tell me more. I appreciate your opinion. I appreciate your opinion. I'll think about that. I'll think about that. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. No worries, take your time. No worries, take your time. That's okay, it's happened. That's okay, it happens. You did a great job. You did a great job. I'm just glad we talked. I'm just glad we talked. That made me laugh. That made me laugh. See you soon, okay? See you soon, okay? I'm working hard toward my dreams. I'm working hard toward my dreams. I'm learning something new every day. I'm learning something new every day. I'm focused on what matters most. I'm focused on what matters most. Every day is a chance to grow. Every day is a chance to grow. I choose to stay positive. I choose to stay positive. I'm proud of my dedication. I'm proud of my dedication. Progress is better than perfection. Progress is better than perfection. I'm building the life I want. I'm building the life I want. Step by step, I'm getting there. Step by step, I'm getting there. Hard work always pay off. Hard work always pay off. I trust the process completely. I trust the process completely. I'm thankful for my journey. I'm thankful for my journey. Success takes time and patience. Success takes time and patience. I'm not afraid to keep trying. I'm not afraid to keep trying. Hey, how's your morning going? Hey, how's your morning going? It's nice to see you again. It's nice to see you again. How have you been lately? How have you been lately? Long time no see. Long time no see. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Nothing much, just the usual. Nothing much, just the usual. It's been such a busy week. It's been such a busy week. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. How's work going for you? How's work going for you? Everything is going well, thanks. Everything is going well, thanks. Let's catch up soon. Let's catch up soon. Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll text you later. I'll text you later. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. You made my day. You made my day. See you next time. See you next time. Don't give up, please. Don't give up, please. You did a great job. You did a great job. Better late than never. Better late than never. You never know until you try. You never know until you try. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Yes, I'm on the same page. Yes, I'm on the same page. Let's get started. Let's get started. I can't wait to see the results. I can't wait to see the results. We are getting better each time. We are getting better each time. You are doing amazing. You are doing amazing. We are improving every single day. We are improving every single day. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with yourself. Your effort really matters. Your effort really matters. Keep going, you're almost there. Keep going, you're almost there. Every mistake is a step forward. Every mistake is a step forward. Don't compare, just continue. Don't compare, just continue. You are learning something very valuable. You are learning something very valuable. Speak with confidence and pride. Speak with confidence and pride. You are building real fluency. You are building real fluency. I woke up feeling fresh today. I woke up feeling fresh today. I made myself a cup of coffee. I made myself a cup of coffee. I took a short morning walk. I took a short morning walk. The weather was calm and cool. The weather was calm and cool. I planned my day carefully. I planned my day carefully. I used to stay shy, but not anymore. I used to stay shy, but not anymore. I speak with more courage now. I speak with more courage now. Amazing work today. You just practiced real English sentences. That's a real accomplishment. And it's huge too. You trained your ears to listen carefully. You trained your voice to speak clearly. And you trained your confidence to grow stronger. Remember, I said every sentence 2 times, so you could listen first and then repeat that. Repetition is what builds fluency, little by little, word by word. My advice for practice 5 minutes every day. Replay this video often. Repetition creates mastery. Focus on how the sentences feel in your mouth, not just how they sound. You are becoming more fluent every time you shadow. You are not just learning English, you are living it together. We will keep practicing, improving, and growing, one sentence at a time. I am proud of you. Keep speaking, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next video. If you liked that video, don't forget to subscribe English Espresso. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.